Hey everybody, it's Orbit. Today I'm going to help you set up an Apollo Twin MKII Duo audio interface in Windows 10 without all the audio crackling, popping, and distortion you might be running into. There's a lot of guides out there that talk about how to do this through BIOS settings. This isn't one of them. I'm going to teach you how to do it inside of Windows with software, and it's completely free. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the link in the description and download ASIO Link Pro Tool 2442 installer and the combined GUI patcher. This link here and this link here. I've already downloaded it for the purposes of this video. Now, you're going to want to double click on this file here, which is ASIO Link Pro itself, and run through the installer. You can leave all the settings as default. It may have you reboot your computer. That's fine. Just reboot and then head back into your downloads folder. Once you're in here and you've extracted ASIO Link Pro Tool Patcher, you can head into this folder, go ahead and copy this file, and then head over to your ASIO Link Pro installation directory. In my case, it's C Program Files x86 ASIO Link Pro, and just go ahead and paste it in here. Now, depending on if your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit, when you run this patcher, I've already done it, so I'm not going to, but when you run it, it's going to give you a 32-bit patch option or a 64-bit patch option. Choose the one that's appropriate for your computer and go ahead and hit patch, and then you're going to be all set. Now you're going to run ASIO Link Pro. You can type just ASIO in the search bar here, and it should be the first thing that pops up. And when you run it, you're going to be shown an interface like this. Now, it's a little bit confusing, and when I first launched mine, it had a lot of different input and outputs and things like that, like 32 or 16. It was quite a few. I deleted all the extra ones, and I only have one channel. You can set yours up how you want to, just kind of tinker around with the app. The important part is you want to make sure that on your ASIO driver in, you have a line coming from here to the ASIO driver out mix, and one coming from the out mix into the ASIO VAD Pro mix out. What that's going to do is it's going to put your microphone out to a Windows virtual device that allows you to use your microphone with any program. You can click on these lines and then delete them with the delete key, and that will allow you to reconfigure this if for whatever reason it gets messed up. So I'm going to minimize this here, and I'm going to show you the Windows sound settings that I'm talking about. So this right here, you can see Mix 01 is coming from that ASIO driver. It gives you different mixes. In my case, I'm just using one channel, so it's Mix 1. And then you can use your ASIO driver in any Windows application, and this solves the problem of using the Apollo Twin MKII Duo as a WDM device in Windows, where you get all kinds of distortion, popping, and crackling. That's really about all there is to it. Hopefully this video helps some of you with this device. I know it was a big hit to me when I got this Thunderbolt device. I was super excited about it. As soon as I got into Windows, I ran into issues. So if this helped you, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting more videos for Twitch streamers on how to get your stream to be as professional as possible. This is just my first one in that series, and actually my first YouTube video ever. Appreciate you hanging out. Hopefully this worked, and have a good one.